In today's video, I'm going to share legit ways to make $100 a day online. If you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Building My Economy, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I share opportunities to make money online, such as affiliate marketing, freelance, side hustles, and online jobs. So if you are interested in any of these topics, go ahead and subscribe and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And today we're gonna go ahead and talk about legit ways to make $100 a day. This is actually, there's a possibility for you to make $100 an hour, but I just title it a day just so that if the job is not consistent, you can probably complete one task and make $100 a day. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about these companies, but before we do, if you are interested in start building a sustainable passive income stream online to where you're not always searching for what's next, what's a good idea, or what is the best thing that you can do, this is what I'm personally doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the first link below this video for you to click on and go find out what is it that I'm personally doing so that you can go and see if it's something that will be a good fit for you. Okay, so Focus Group is the first company that I wanted to talk to you about. Now this one has very limited information here on their page, but you can come to the FAQ section and here they're going to provide a little bit more information as to how the company works and stuff. But as we can see right here, it says that the world's leading brands want to get in touch with you. It says every year people participate. Every year, thousands of people share their opinions about products and services by participating in market research studies and are paid for this interesting, fun, and rewarding experience. You can do this from your computer, you can do this from your phone, or even in person, depending on where you are located. Now, the one thing I noticed is that it doesn't really specifically say if this is available worldwide or just in certain countries. So if you're interested in finding more and learning a little bit more about the company and just ask different questions, or if you have different questions, you can click right here and you'll find the information here. If not, you can probably get in contact with them and right here and ask more questions. But yeah, this is the first company that I wanted to share with you today. However, I did find that according to Glassdoor, people can make anywhere from $100 to $400 per assignment or per task on this website. So yeah, that's this first company. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next company. This one is available only in the UK. I was trying to look for this same company if it had anything available in the United States, but apparently it doesn't. But I did want to share this because it provides great opportunities for you to make a little extra cash on the side for an hour of your time. And if we scroll down, so this one is called take part in research, and like I always do, I will be leaving the link to these companies in the description below this video. So if you are interested in coming taking a look at it yourselves, you can just scroll down and tap or click on the links and you'll be directed to these websites. So if you're finding value in this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and leave us your comments and your questions. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down so we can learn more about the information learn more about this company. So it says register, participate, and earn. Hundreds of companies wants to pay you for your feedback about products and services you use. And if we scroll down, you're gonna be able to see the current projects that they have available. They have something for they have a project for whiskey research, and for about 90 minutes of your time they'll pay you 75 euros. This one is finances and entertainment research. 1 hour is the length of the research and they'll pay you about 75 euros. And This one, it's calling all cybersecurity experts, about 60 minutes of your time for $125. UK-wide digital marketing and research for about 60 minutes of your time for €100. And this one is TV entertainment research. This is for an entire week, and you can earn anywhere from 60 to 10 euros per audition task. Okay, so each of these are gonna have different payouts, and depending on the market, depending on the topic, and depending on the length of your time that it's going to require, that's how much you're going to be able to get paid. But if you're interested in learning more, you can scroll down and just read a little bit more about the information that they provide and stuff. And if you have any other questions, you can ask them here, or you can click where it says FAQs. So yeah, these are the companies I wanted to share with you today, and these are the opportunities that they have available. So if you're interested, like I said, you're more than welcome to come and take a look at these opportunities and stuff. But like I said, this is something that it's available, but I personally don't think it's something sustainable. It's not something that you're going to be able to do. For instance, if you work for an hour, for instance, for this one, if you work for an hour, you'll be able to make $100, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna have multiple tasks available in one day or throughout the week in order for you to be able to create a sustainable income doing this. Okay, so if you are interested in learning on how to build a sustainable passive income stream online to where you can eventually stop trading your time for money all the time, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. I will be sharing more details in regards to that there with you. That is all that I have for today. I will go ahead and leave in the end screen a playlist for more freelance opportunities and more side hustle opportunities. If you're interested, go ahead and check those out. That is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time. Stay safe, and until next time.